Hi, this is Morgan. Today I'm introducing this Chimney charcoal oven designed for fluid wood and charcoal heating. It delivers the rich flavor of traditional charcoal grilling, perfect for barbecue restaurants and professional kitchens. The oven reaches a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius, locking in the authentic charcoal grilled flavor. Whether it is meat, seafood, or vegetables, it handles them all with ease. The oven is made of 304 stainless steel, making it corrosion resistant and easy to clean. And the core components are made of high-strength cast iron, ensuring durability under extreme heat. The oven includes two specialized grill trays, a grill ring and a perforated grill ring, catering different cooking needs. Plus, the 8 adjustable height level allows flexible cooking setups. For added convenience, this oven features a built-in grease drainage system, ensuring effective oil collection. Combined with stainless steel ashtray and oil tray, cleaning has never been easier. This charcoal oven is designed for simplify, no extra controls. An external thermometer only displays the oven's temperature, helping you to monitor the heat level. Plus, we include the fire tones, so you can easily adjust the charcoal as needed. And that's not all, we're offering special discount right now. If you're interested in this equipment, leave a comment below and our customer service will reach out to you soon. And that's all for today. See you next time.